Hello there. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an essential topic for anyone looking to establish their online presence. We're diving into the process of creating a Facebook page for your brand or business. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a small business owner, or an aspiring influencer, having a Facebook page is crucial for connecting with your audience and growing your online community. So let's jump right into it. The first step is to log into your Facebook account. If you don't have one, you'll need to sign up. Once you're in, then click on the page option. Then click on Create Page. Next, you'll need to fill in your page name, which should accurately represent your brand. You'll also need to add a category that aligns with your business. A brief description of what your page is about will help visitors understand your content. Once you've completed that step, seamlessly transition to the next setting. If you possess a website, insert the corresponding link. If not, proceed to the subsequent steps where you can input your contact number. Once the number is added, proceed to enter your email address, followed by your business location details such as the address, state, and postal code. After furnishing your details, input your business's operating hours, and then click on the next option. Now, it's time to give your page a personalized touch. Begin by adding your profile picture and cover photo. Following this, incorporate an action button to facilitate engagement. Once done, click on the next option to move forward. Once you've successfully uploaded your profile picture and cover image on your Facebook channel, it's time to tailor your action button. Click on Try It, then scroll down and select the Watch Now option. After choosing Watch Now, click on the Next button. If you have a website or a YouTube channel, you can now add the respective links and save your changes. Now, do some additional setting of your Facebook page. It may consist add, connect your WhatsApp, etc. Connect with your friends and invite them to like your page. This initial engagement can start your page's growth. Also, consider promoting your page using Facebook's advertising tools to reach a broader audience. Congratulations! Your Facebook page is now up and running. It's time to make your first post. Share something relevant to your brand, whether it's an introduction, a product teaser, or a brief story about your business. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumb up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials and helpful tips. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update, and thank you for watching.